who reigns forever. He is a friend of mine.
All right, this is Whom Shall I Fear, God of Angel Armies, in the key of C. This is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun with this one. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description right below, you will find the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in this song, we have C, F, G, and A minor. So let's go through those 4 chords. If we look for a group of 2 black notes, you will find a C note there. C, E, G is a C major chord. You just kind of line up every 5 fingers, all the 5 fingers, play every other note, and you have a C chord. Okay. F chord, just scoot down here to the group of 3 black notes, and the F is right to the left of that. F, A, C. Move up 1 set of notes, kind of hold that same shape in your hand, and you're in the G position. G, B, D. And if you move up 1 set of notes again, you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay, so review, we just have those 4 chords. C chord, F, G, and A minor. All right, left hand is going to be playing just single notes. So if you line up thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, then you don't have to move this hand the whole song. So we're going to play single C with our C chord up here. F to F, G to a G chord, and A minor with just the single A in the bass. All right, so the tempo to bring the 2 hands together, or the rhythm, is a 4/4 time signature, which this song is written in. So it's called a 1-to-2 ratio, and that just looks like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord. Together, right, together, right, together, right, G, and A minor. Okay, so just get that nice marching rhythm in your hands. Okay, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in some vocals. Here you go.
You hear me when I call. You are my morning song. Though darkness fills the night, it cannot hide the light. Whom shall I fear? You crush the enemy, and underneath my feet, you are my sword and shield. Though troubles linger still, whom shall I fear?
Okay, so you notice it's just going kind of through the whole line. You're just kind of vamping on this C. And you don't have to do it choppy or loud or, off the wall. Just do it kind of gently. And that will help it not become so monotonous when you're kind of starting this learning to chord thing. And you can fill it in with your vocals. You can fill it in with a drum. You can fill it in with a guitar. Add some other people to it, and it helps kind of just create some depth in the music, okay? So let's look at the chorus. A minor, G, and C. A minor, G, C. So I want to talk about patterns because that was just a pattern. A minor, G, C, A minor, G, C. So in the chorus, the first and the third line rhyme, and then in the second and fourth line rhyme. So you're going to notice patterns even in the verses. So take a look at that. Just notice, what pattern are we doing here? Oh, C, F, A minor, F. Okay, you repeat that twice. It helps kind of simplify it when you notice that most of music is patterns. It's just repetition. Okay, so A minor starts us out there.
I know who G goes before me.
Okay, listen to this.
I know who stands behind. The God of angel armies is always by my side. The one who reigns forever. He is a friend of mine. The God of angel army is always by my side.
So you can play it kind of just a 1-to-1 ratio where you're just kind of going,
I know who goes before me. I
you'll notice that sometimes they go is always by my side. And then you could just kind of pounce some of the, just to create a little bit of drama at times. I think it helps to kind of create a little variance in your music. So that's a little bit of the chorus. Verse 2 is going to be the same for the most part as verse 1, but it just has a little bit less lines, I guess. So my strength is your name. My strength is in your name, for you alone can save. You will deliver me. Yours is the victory. Whom shall I fear? Then it goes again. And whom shall I fear? Okay. Then it can go into that chorus at that point. I know who goes before me. Okay. Or you can loop into the bridge, which is pretty fun. Let's look at that bridge. And nothing formed as a C chord against me shall G stand. C. You hold the whole earth in your F hands. And I'm holding C on to your E minor. Promises G. You are faithful. You are G faithful. And nothing formed against me shall stand. And then you can kind of loop through that, go back to the chorus. And you can even go back in through verses. I mean, there's so much creativity, so much freedom I hope you experience in your music that it doesn't have to be just in this nice and tidy box. Just go where the Spirit leads. Just have a lot of fun with it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Play it right hand only. Notice some patterns in your music. Simplify it step by step, and you can do it. Here we go.